Alright, let's get into a surprisingly important detail, the snap button. We spend ages picking fabric, and then what, 30 seconds on the buttons? That decision really matters. 'Cause let's be real, a snap is one of the very first things they're gonna touch. It's all about that first impression, the sound, the feel. It just screams quality. Or it doesn't. Okay, first things first. There are 4 parts to a snap. Knowing these is key for your tech pack. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because the type you choose affects everything. Getting this right is your first big step. It's all about performance and making sure it lasts. And it's not just these 3. You've got magnetic ones, fancy pearl snaps, lots of options. Now, material choice. This one decision sends a huge signal about your brand's quality. And you can go for pure durability or use the material to tell your sustainability story. Here's a classic mistake. Just writing metal snap button in your tech pack. That's asking for trouble. So you gotta be specific. Your tech pack needs every single one of these 6 details. Because if you're not clear, this is what happens. And trust me, these are costly fixes later on. And don't just say evenly spaced. Give an exact measurement. It makes all the difference. Okay, next big question. Can your snap actually handle the wash? This is a huge deal. You absolutely have to test it before bulk production. Check for rust, cracks, anything. Alright, let's talk about something that surprises a lot of new buyers, sourcing realities. Yep, 1,000 sets, that's a typical MOQ for custom snaps. It's a lot to plan for. But don't worry, there are smart ways to handle this. You don't have to break the bank. Here's a pro tip. Always get a physical sample. A photo tells you nothing about the feel. And another thing, make the snap cost a separate line item. This gives you way more control. Because really, a snap isn't just a piece of trim. It's a key part of the customer experience. See, getting this right isn't about budget. It's just about making a thoughtful decision. The best brands, they treat this tiny detail just as seriously as their main fabric. So is your smallest detail telling the right story? That consistency is what brings customers back.